Everyone in Germany is told the same thing. Move to Dubai, pay zero tax, and life is great. Well, in reality, it's not quite so simple. So my name is Bobby Casey. I'm the founder of BusinessAnywhere.io. I've been doing this for more than 20 years, helping location-independent entrepreneurs and digital nomads structure their business, structure their lives, and optimize for taxes while living outside of their home country. And we have hundreds of German clients we've helped get their business structured and optimize their situation. And this is a really common one that we hear a lot is, hey, if you're German, move to Dubai, get residency there, register a company in Dubai, and you'll pay zero tax. Well, in reality, that can work, but it's not always the best solution and maybe not ideal for you. So first of all, if you wanted to do that, you would have to live in Dubai. The minimum stay in Dubai to maintain tax residency is 60 days a year. Some people don't enjoy spending that much time in Dubai, but if that's what you wanted to do, you would have to maintain that no matter what. And then registering a company in Dubai is full of problems, let's just say. It's very expensive. It's expensive to set up. It's expensive to maintain. And nowadays, most Dubai companies pay 9% tax. They don't pay zero. Now you, at the personal level, you do pay zero tax.